So here's our room, guys. 565. Says it up there too. Tap your card to get in. And straight off the bat, you got an amazing view.
You do.
I meant outside, but that was pretty slick. But we'll start here. You got your controls to control the temperature in the room. You got a massive mirror. You got your drawers. Plenty of drawers. We only stayed one night, so we didn't use any of that. You got the coffee machine. You got wardrobes. Your safe is also in there. Your ironing board, everything you need. Pretty snazzy cupboard, really. Wardrobe. And then the bed, it opens up into the bed. Let me step back, because this bed is massive.
It's so good.
Like, you were one side and I was the other.
Yes.
And you could have fit probably another 2 people in the middle. They got plug sockets down both sides of the bed. You got your lamps. You got your phone. And this cool thing is amazing. It's like a little iPad. Tells you about the resort. Room controls, you can control the lights, the temperature, the TV. Turn the TV on, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video. It's literally got everything. Dining, you can order room service between 5 p.m. and midnight. And it gets delivered by a robot, which is pretty cool. You can set up alarms, car rentals, internet, clock, weather, your Bible. And you can also chat with them. And I did last night. Asked if there was Wi-Fi. And that was all sorted. So that's pretty cool. As we spin round, you got the TV up there, which is out the way, which I quite like. And this room is like the weirdest shape, but we love it.
It's nice.
Very quirky. You got a big sofa there, huge seating just here. And then as you walk round, there's the view. Can you name the rides? So you got, what's that?
Hagrid's.
No, that's not Hagrid's, what I'm pointing at.
Oh, you
got Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
You got the castle, the school. You got Velocicoaster. You got just there is Hulk. And just next to it is Rock and Roller Coaster, Doctor Doom. And that's all I can see, I think. So that is the view, that is pretty cool. We're only on the 5th floor and that's the view you get. So if you go any higher, you're very lucky. Over here you got a little desk. You got USB ports, more plugs. Another lamp. And then around the corner, opens up into the bathroom. You've got a lovely area to do your makeup, girls. The sink's massive. You've got all the towels, everything you need. In here, you've got the hairdryer. Obviously a bin down there. And then I love the tiling in this shower. The shower was amazing. Loved it. The controls are just here. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and soap. You've got your towels up there. Obviously, the toilet. But yeah, overall, amazing room. We love it. If you've got any questions about the room, please let me know. Just drop a comment. But we're going to head over there right now.